everybody, it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys for joining me for my 2-minute Tuesday tip. I'm going to be sharing a tip with you on using your Stamparatus. Now, this is kind of a problem-solving tip today. If you have been using your Stamparatus and maybe the images are not coming out solid down here at the bottom, it could be that you're putting your stamped images too close to that hinge, and many times that hinge is going to interfere. Guys, this is the simplest tip in the world, but you're going to be shocked. And we always have to put our cardstock in the corner, right? Well, instead of putting it and putting our stamp here, we're just going to reverse it and put it here on the other end. The furthest away from the hinge, the better. So let me put my tree, my winter woods tree, right here. I will ink it up in shaded spruce, bring it down on my cardstock. I've actually just got a flashcard there. Give that a nice little press. And look at that, perfect. I don't have to worry about this bottom part not turning out, because if I had printed it, or stamped it, I should say, this way, more than likely the bottom of that image would not have come out pretty. So it's a simple tip, but guys, always remember your stamped images, your stamps, try to put them as far away from that hinge as possible. And guess what else this is going to do for you? When you go to ink this up and you're further away from the hinge, you're not going to ink the hinge. Please tell me I'm not the only one who has inked up the hinge. Now, luckily, a little rinse under the sink and you're fine, but we do want to avoid that. You can find the Stamparatus over at SimplySimpleStamping.com. Just click the online order button and you can go directly to my online store and get that in your hot little hands. You're going to love creating with it. Stay tuned. We're going to have more videos in the Stamparatus series, so we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.